Hey Rich, how's it going?
It's going.
See those 7 barrels stacked up?
Yeah, he's behind there.
Yep.
I'm waiting for him to take another shot at this guy.
I'll be right above you.
I can see him looking at us. See him duck down in that space right there?
He's way back.
Gotta push that fucker and get him to move.
Watch out.
Come on, dude, stick your head out.
I can't stick out, I'm getting shot up.
Dickie, 7 gray barrels. Oh, his gun's down. I don't think he's moving out of there. He's either gone to ground or he went back into the woods.
Yeah, he's tunneling, man. He's tunneling.
Well, let's see if we can get him to move.
I'll be to your left.
Okay. Oh. All right.
I can't tell. Hey, Rick.
Yeah. Oh. Say that again? No, I don't think so. I'm getting shots from up top, I think.
Yep. No, he's in blue.
Oh, is he inside that doorway?
Yep.
I just fired a bunch in there. He's got a red tip, don't he?
Yep. No, they're in front of blue. Other side of him. Hey, blue, fucking 11 o'clock, all the way down to the left side, back side. He's shooting. Left back side.
He's in that doorway of the blue container, and he's shooting at me.
Hey, far back left side.
Yeah, he just pops out and fires wildly. Oh, hey! That fucker's right back there.
Where do you want it?
I don't know where he is. I want to charge his ass.
There's some guys on the truck from back there.
Is he on the truck?
I don't know if he's on the truck or behind it.
Yeah.
Now he's on the truck.
There's at least one.
Oh, this gun's fucking heavy.
Yeah, it is. I don't see him. He's there, but I don't see where he went.
I like the sound of that. Now we're talking my language. Pushing right.
What? Oh, hit!